Now the world is going through a pandemic situation, and this pandemic situation is caused by a deadly virus which is known as the COVID-19 virus or coronavirus. Till now, we are not able to discover a vaccine against the virus, but until the vaccine is discovered by the scientists, we have to maintain some protocols. The protocols are: we have to wear mask when we go outside our home. Not only that, we have to maintain some social distancing between us. The social distancing means the distance between us as minimum 2 meter or 6 feet. Not only that, if there is no such emergency work outside the home, we have to remain in our home, and it is said that stay home, save hope during the COVID-19 situation. Most important thing is that we have to maintain our hygiene, and for maintaining the hygiene we have to hand wash frequently, and this hand washing cannot be done only the water, and it will be done by sanitizer or some soap. Both sanitizer and soap are effective for hand washing in COVID-19 situation. Now, if there is a question of sanitizer, there are two types of sanitizer is there. One is the alcohol based sanitizer and another is non-alcohol based sanitizer. Now, what types of sanitizer is effective for the fighting of COVID-19 virus? WHO, that is World Health Organization, suggests that alcohol based sanitizer is the effective for COVID-19 virus, and they also recommended some component must be present in alcohol based sanitizer. The main component or main active component of the alcohol based sanitizer is the ethanol. Ethanol, which has the structure and formula is C2H6O, and not only that, this ethanol is the same component which is found in wine and beer, but we cannot use beer and wine as a sanitizer, and the reason must be discussed in this video. Another types of alcohol which is used in hand sanitizer is the isopropanol, which is known as the rubbing alcohol. So alcohol is the main active part for the hand sanitizer, which is very effective for the fighting of COVID-19 virus. But there are some other reasons which should be added to the sanitizer according to the recommendation of World Health Organization. These compounds are glycerol and hydrogen peroxide. All these are should be miscible in distilled water or boiled cooled water to make the sanitizer. All these are discussed upon the recommendation of the World Health Organization. Now, there is a curiosity in our mind that if alcohol is the main active part against the COVID-19 virus, then what is the working principle or what is the necessity to add glycerol and hydrogen peroxide in the hand sanitizer? There are some specific reasons for which glycerol and hydrogen peroxide should be added in our alcohol based hand sanitizer. If we use the alcohol directly as the sanitizer, then there should be some problem. The problem is that alcohol has the capacity to draw the water from our skin. So when we frequently washed our hands through the alcohol, it will dry our skin and it cause several problems in our skin. So we cannot use only the alcohol as the sanitizer. So we have to add some reagent which can moisturize our skin, and these types of compounds or components are known as the humectants. Now there are several types of humectants are there, such as aloe vera gel we can use in our hand sanitizer, or egg yolk or egg white protein or lithium chloride. All are the humectants, but we have to choose the glycerol as a humectant, and this component is added to the hand sanitizer. Now question is that why only glycerol is added to the hand sanitizer? First of all, we can say that Not only glycerol, we can use aloe vera gel also, but glycerol has some specific property for which we can add it to the hand sanitizer, because it is easily available, it is very cheap in price, so that the making cost or price of the hand sanitizer in our limit. It is also skin friendly. Not only that, there is some chemistry is hidden in using of glycerol. From the structure of glycerol, it is known that there are three OH group in glycerol. This OH group can make some hydrogen bond with ethanol and water, so that this glycerol will be easily miscible in the solution of ethanol and water. Not only that, due to the formation of hydrogen bonding, the sanitizer gets some stickiness, and this stickiness reduce the wastage of the sanitizer. So these are the reason for which glycerol is added to the hand sanitizer. The next component is also very common component, that is the hydrogen peroxide. We used this hydrogen peroxide to bleach our color, to bleach the color of our hair. We first bleach the color of our hair, then add some dye to the hair for the getting some specific color. So it is very known to us. Now this hydrogen peroxide has another role in the sanitizer. It can stop it can protect the bulk solution of the sanitizer from the contamination from the virus and bacteria, so that others portion of hand sanitizer can be used after that. So this is the role of hydrogen peroxide, and for playing this role, glycerol and hydrogen peroxide also added to alcohol based hand sanitizer. Till now we are discussing about the components of alcohol based sanitizer, which is effective, more effective for the fighting in COVID-19 viruses. Now another type is the non-alcohol based hand sanitizer. What are the components of the non-alcohol based sanitizer? For making non-alcohol based hand sanitizer, chlorhexidine and benzyl alkonium chloride are used, but it is evident that these two compounds do not have any effect on the coronavirus. So who recommend to use the alcohol based hand sanitizer? Now if you think that you can use wine or beer as the sanitizer, then certainly you cannot use it, because for the destroying of coronavirus we have to need 60% of alcohol in sanitizer, but in beer and in wine there is lesser amount of alcohol, so these are not effective for the coronavirus. Now we think that if we increase the concentration of alcohol, it will be better for the coronavirus. If you asked me the question that can we use 99% alcohol, and my answer will be definitely no, because there is envelope surrounding the coronavirus, and for the denaturation of the protein in envelope, water play a vital role. So certain amount of water must be needed for the denaturation of the protein. Not only that, if we increase the concentration of alcohol, this alcohol, that is ethanol, which also possesses the OH group and which make a hydrogen bond with water, and if we gradually increase the concentration of alcohol, there will be no hydrogen bonding with the water, and this make the alcohol more volatile. It is found that if concentration of alcohol is greater than 80%, then it is becomes so volatile that duration of contact in our skin is too short and it to be effective. So 99% alcohol or greater than 80% alcohol is not effective for the hand sanitizer. So basically we have to use some alcohol based hand sanitizer, which is very helpful against the COVID-19 virus. And after all, I wish that all of you should be stay at home and will be safe at home.